Replacing your Everydrop water filter is really simple. Replace your filter every 6 months to optimize contaminant reduction. First, make sure you have the right filter number and colored cap for your refrigerator. Remove and recycle your cap. Next, find your holder. It'll be in the interior or at the base of your refrigerator. Pop out the old one. Have a cloth handy as there may be excess water. That's completely normal. Slide in the new one. You'll hear it click when it's locked, and close the cover. Thoroughly run your dispenser to activate the filter. You may hear a loud air pressure sound, but that's normal. Getting 6 new months of clean, fresh-tasting water and ice is as easy as that.